Before I get ready for training, I need to make sure that the pitch is flat and no obstructions. And I also need to get ready and tie my shoelaces and get the proper gear for football. As a goalkeeper, I need to wear my gloves and proper protection for my hands so I won't get injured. As for the skill I'm going to do, I'm going to kick the ball into the goal 5 times.
Okay.
To be able to do the right goal kick, you need to place the lob of the ball down, sit down, take a few steps back and 45 degree angle. Then when you're about to kick, place your planting foot, front foot, one step away from the ball. Then swing your other foot underneath or on the top. A true athlete knows that drugs are only for healing and not for any other purposes. I would avoid gateway substances like alcohol, cigarettes, and prohibited drugs. Please hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.